What's up, UB? Basically, just wanted to post this video, let you guys know that I'm still having problems with 1.8 AEB right here. Just made like a flapping sound slash rattling slash tapping. It's almost like a knock, but not quite. And I've like double checked all the work that I've done. The only thing that I can think is that maybe it's just like not idling at a high enough RPM or not the right RPM, and or something's loose up in here somewhere. But I'm gonna get the shop opened up and start it and see if it sounds any better. Just went through and made sure that everything was like really secure and tightened down, and I'm hoping that it makes a difference because I've got to drive this car as a daily again now that I've got the fuel leak coming out of the injector on the 2.7. So I'll open it up and then we'll let her start for a minute and check the oil and everything. See if any of you guys have ever heard this sound, maybe. Well, now I'll just let it run for not more than a minute or so and turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and then we'll check the oil and see where that's at. It sounds way better than it did before, but I can still faintly hear it, unless, hopefully it's not just like a damaged lifter or something, but maybe you guys have a better idea. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna check the oil. So pull it out, wipe it off nice and clean one time. Dip it in, check for your level. I always end up checking more than one time, but also, now that you guys know that I kind of think that my problem was the accelerator cable and the interaction with the throttle. So after I had adjusted this, you just pull this clip off, move this forward or back, and that'll either give you more or less slack on your accelerator cable leading to your throttle body. So after I adjusted the first time I started it, it was idling at like 950 or so, so I decided to drop it back. I ended up going back about 2 of those threads, locking it in place, and now it seems to be idling a lot better, and I really can't hear the knock anymore. So get it out of the shop, we'll drive it, and I'll let you guys know if there's any more problems. Thanks.